Guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be taking you guys along on my journey to getting tape-ins for the first time. I actually have been wanting tape-ins probably since like last year, but I've never pulled the trigger. I don't know why, but I've just been a little bit nervous to do it. But I feel like my birthday is coming up. Like, I want something a little bit different than the way that I've been rocking my hair recently. And so I figured, why not go ahead and just give tape-ins a try. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm really excited to see how they come out because I have seen so many videos on tape-ins. I've seen like just some really bomb tape-in installs, so I cannot wait to see how they look on me. So the tape-ins I will be using are from Better Length Hair. This video is sponsored by Better Length Hair, and I have used their hair in the past, and I have always loved the brand, the quality of the hair, and just like working with them. They've been amazing. So as you guys can see, my tape-ins came in this cute little Better Length satin bag that will help to store my extensions when they are not in use, which I love because it'll keep it nice and fresh. So I'm loving the detail there. And then I did get 2 bundles of tape-ins. So the texture that I have is the light yaki texture. And of course, I will show you guys a close-up in a second. But yeah, I got 2 light yaki textures, and they are both 16 inches. And Better Length Hair recommends getting 2 bundles of hair for a full install. So I think I should be good to go with the 2 bundles that I received. And let me show you guys how it looks up close. They actually offer like quite a bit of different textures for their tape-ins. I personally chose the light yaki because I felt like that was a texture that would most match my natural hair whenever it's straightened, because of course I'll be wearing my hair straight. So since my hair will be straight, I wanted a texture that will definitely match like my natural hair. And after doing some research and seeing what textures they offered, I decided to go with the light yaki. But again, they do have different textures. So depending on what your texture hair is, I'm sure they'll have something that will best suit you and what it is that you prefer. Ooh, this looks and feels so good, okay? This hair, y'all, it feels so, it like literally, I kid you not, it literally feels like how my natural hair feels whenever it's straightened. And I've been doing soap presses like nonstop for the past like few months, and my hair literally feels like this. Because it has like a little bit of texture to it. It's not super silky. It does have a little bit of texture to it, which is why I loved it. Because yeah, I still want for it to blend. So this texture, it has like a light like texture to it, but it still has like a very soft feel. So far, you guys can see I'm not getting any tangles at all. Wow, like it feels so good. But again, like it does not give me that like super straight, super silky feel. It literally feels like a light textured like yaki hair. I guess it's gonna feel so good. And you guys can also see that at the end it's pretty much full from root to tip, which we all love. The bag also included this little pamphlet that has maintenance and installation instructions and like recommendations of like how to treat your hair. And then it also comes with, which I loved, it also came with extra tape. So you can easily reuse the tape-ins. I believe the tape-ins last anywhere from like 4 to 7 weeks. I will probably keep them in for like 4 to 5 weeks because that's just kind of how I operate. But you do have that luxury of keeping them in for a little bit longer. Of course, it all depends on your new growth and stuff like that. But I do love that you can keep them in for, you know, a month and a half or so. And then whenever you want to reinstall them, you can easily just remove the tape-ins, wash your hair, wash the extensions, and then reapply them using the hair extensions tape that's provided in your bag. That was everything that was in the bag that the hair came in. So yeah, I am really excited. I can't wait to see how it turns out tomorrow. But before we go to the hairstylist, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the extensions on my own just to make sure I got anything that may be lingering out of the hair. It should not take me long at all because again, the hair already looks pretty clean and it smells clean, so it should not be like a lot of like work to clean these, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna first wash these extensions out and then let them air dry overnight and prepare them to be installed tomorrow. So I am coming to you all with a weekly update on how my better length hair tape-ins are holding up. So it has been exactly a week since I got these tape-ins installed, and listen, I've already mentioned on Instagram, but I will have to say that this like install method, the tape-in install method, is hands down my favorite like extension install technique, mainly because I find the tape-ins are so lightweight compared to literally anything else, like sew-in, like wigs, all of that. Like, this is the most lightweight install that I have ever had when it comes to extensions, and that's why I love it so much. I feel like with this method, my scalp can breathe, and you guys know how hard it can be for your scalp to breathe when you're wearing like wigs and sew-ins. I hate it, and I feel like my scalp gets so itchy whenever I am rocking like one of those like methods. But with this one, I feel like my hair has like barely itched. I mean, outside of like the normal amount, but like my hair has like barely itched, which I have loved. And again, like, I just feel like my head is just so lightweight. You can barely feel the tape ends. Like, I only really like feel like I have them whenever I like physically touch my scalp and I can feel the tape ends. But like on a regular basis, move my head around and stuff like that, it is literally so lightweight. Highly recommend if you are looking for a method that is super natural, but has a very lightweight feel. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I feel like I have like barely done anything to my hair. I have barely done anything to my hair over the past week. I will say, like, for me, going from short hair to long hair is a big adjustment. I think that everybody's different, but for me, I have short hair like on a regular basis. So this right here, I'm like, what do I even do with it? Like, what do I even do with this? So I feel like I have pretty much been wearing my hair just like down, or I have been wearing it in a ponytail. I have been loving wearing my hair in ponytails because that's the one thing that I really can't do like regularly with short hair. Like, whenever I want to wear my hair in a ponytail with short hair, I have to like just like really slick my hair down and all that kind of stuff. But with these tape ends, I can literally just throw my hair in a ponytail real quick and I'm good to go. And here's like a close-up of how, y'all, this looks good, okay? For it to have been a month, a week, this is looking really good. You guys can see up close like how my natural hair blends in with the extensions. Again, this is the light yaki texture, and you guys can just see like how my natural hair literally blends in really well with the extensions, and it's just great. I have no complaints. It has been minimal shedding, like no tangling at all. And it's been such a great experience. I'm not sure how long I plan to keep them in. Not because I don't like the extensions. Like, the extensions themselves, I would highly recommend them. Like, if you are into trying extension installs and stuff like that, I would highly recommend the Better Length tape ends, because of just how low maintenance this hair has been. Like, I literally have no complaints at all. But the reason why I say I'm not sure how long I'm gonna keep the hair in for is because I feel like I've reached the age where I just like short hair. Like, I don't know what it is. I think I keep trying longer hair just to like see if I'll like fall in love with long hair again. But I just gravitate towards short hair, and I'm already kind of missing my shorter hair. So I'm not sure how long I plan to keep them in for, because I am kind of missing the shorter hair. But I will say the experience over the past week has been nothing but great. I have had to put very minimal heat to my hair. Even when it comes to like blending my extensions, like with my natural hair, like literally very minimal heat. I've probably only like applied heat once over the past week, and you guys see how it looks. It looks super natural. Oh, it looks super natural. Like, the bounce is still there. I have not washed my hair yet, and the bounce and the body is still there, which is great. And I just really love this hair. So I will be sure to leave a link down below to the Better Length hair tape and extensions. Definitely check the link out. They are pretty affordable, in my personal opinion. And again, I would highly recommend them because of the quality and just all the things. And you really do only need 2 bundles, okay? You really do only need 2 bundles of the tape and extensions for a full head of hair. And I forgot to mention that the extensions does hold a curl really well. Like, even my hairstylist was like, okay, this curls really well. It straightens really well, but it also curls really well, which is also something that I loved about the extensions as well. So again, highly recommend checking out Better Length hair for the tape ends. Again, the link will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair vlog and going with me to get tape ends for the first time. If you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.